and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all to the Bolyohuto Carnival. We are from Step Up English Center. We would like to show and tell you all the things around us. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Afidenaya Dian Gayatri. Please call me Naya. I am 9 years old. I am grade 4. I live in Mongolito. My parents are Mr. Oki and Mrs. Sudartin. Now, let's start the things that really close to us. That's body part. My friend Arun will show and tell you the body part. Please, Arun.
Hello friend, my name is Nur Hafizah Arum. Please call me Arum. I am 8 years old. My favorite color is blue. My favorite fruit is watermelon. My hobby is drawing. I want to be a policewoman. I live in Desa Sidodadi. I am in grade 3, a student of 6 elementary school of Bolyohuto. My parents is Mr. Kolek and Mrs. Surya. I want to tell my body part. I have one head. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 1 nose. I have 1 mouth. I have 2 hands. I have 2 legs. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun. Now, Kafa and Arshila will tell you some fruit and vegetable. Arshila, please introduce yourself.
Hi friends. My name is Arshila. I am 5 years old.
will tell you the things in the house. Please, Anissa, time is yours.
Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Rahmadiani. Please call me Anissa. I am 9 years old. My favorite color is pink. My favorite fruit is pink. My hobby is reading. I want to be a doctor. I am a fourth year student in Music Elementary School of Bondowoso. I live in Desa Sidodadi. My parents are Mr. Bawang and Mrs. Yahya. I want to name my house. There are bedroom, kitchen, dining room, garage, living room, and bathroom. My bedroom is purple. There are bed, closet, lamp, blanket, and pillow. My kitchen is red, one stove, oven, and refrigerator. My dining room is orange. There are my dining room. There are clock, chair, table, and lamp. Garage is black. There are gearbox, scooter, bicycle, and car. My living room is pink. There are television, pillow, lamp, a chair, sofa, and carpet. My bathroom is shower. There are shower, bed, toilet, washing machine, towel, and shampoo. Thank you.
Thank you, Anissa. So now we're gonna tell you animals around the world. My friend Suci is ready for that. Please, Suci.
Hello everyone, my name is Rosydiawati Muhammad. Please call me Suci. I am 9 years old. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food is grape. My hobby is watching television. I want to be a soldier. I live in Desa Bongoayu, Kecamatan Boliohuto, Kabupaten Gorontalo. My school's name for elementary school of Talanguhula. My parents are Mr. Sulaiman and Mrs. Senik. I want to tell about animals. The animals in the farm are cow, chicken, horse, donkey, and sheep. There are also animals of pet. There are cat, dog, hamster, mouse, goldfish, rabbit, and parrot. Do you know there are animals in the sea? There are jellyfish, octopus, fish, seahorse, crab, walrus, shark, dolphin, and turtle. I think that's all.
Wait, Suci. How about Australian and African animals?
Yes, I know kangaroo.
There are more. You know koala, wallaby, wombat, kookaburra, Tasmanian devil, and platypus.
Yes.
And African?
Yes, I know cheetah, leopard, zebra, giraffe, elephant, chimpanzee, hippopotamus, and gorilla.
Yes, that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and happy birthday, Arsila!
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Mas Rat.